I would definitely recommend Jani-King to anyone looking for a business opportunity, a franchise business opportunity. They are by far and away the best, to provide the best support for you. They will provide the best accounts for you to get started in, and they provide the best training that you'll have in the industry. Having a Jani-King franchise has improved my life immeasurably. It has allowed me to send my kids through school. It has allowed me to provide a standard of living for my wife that is far beyond what we were expected. It's allowed me to take vacations, to be, and to provide opportunities for the rest of my family.
What I like most about being a business owner is my independence. Able to set the hours, able to coordinate schedules, and most of all, being able to manage my locations in a professional manner. In other words, I contact my customers and clients, discuss with them their needs, and I'm able to actually go in and do an inspection myself in addition to the inspections by Jani-King. And it gives me a sense of ownership, not only just my business, but being a partner with the Jani-King franchise. The Jani-King training program is a key element of my business. The pointers and the information that was provided during my training is utilized nearly every occasion that I enter a location. If a corner's not clean, I know how to clean it. If there's a rust mark that's there that I didn't create, I know how to get rid of it. And that makes me look special. And that makes me have an area of excellence in what I do. I can tell you why Jani-King. Research. I'm a researcher. And I looked at all the other organizations and I looked at all the other franchises because I invested my savings. So therefore, it was critical to me that I make a wise choice and I get an ROI. Jani-King was the best franchise out there.
What I like most about being a Jani-King business owner, I guess maybe, is the name recognition. It makes the business easier to sell. I don't always feel like I'm alone when I do business. I have owned other businesses in my previous life, and in those, they were not franchise businesses. So this is my first time having a franchise business. So in Jani-King, they just kind of helped me do some of the things and take care of some of the headaches that I had when I just started my own business from scratch. Some of the benefits of working closely with clients is that you get to find out more about them, not so much as a client, but as a person. You also can understand more about their business. They understand you and your brand. They understand what you feel is excellence. And when you show them that, I think when other people come knocking at the door and they say, no, we have Brenda's team here, we're okay. It also, another benefit is that the reputation of the company has already preceded you. So it's not like you have to do a hard sell with the client because most people are familiar with the name Jani-King. The Jani-King, it was a great business opportunity. When I came, I bought the small package because I knew that I could sell my own business, and that's exactly what I did. So my first year, I didn't make a lot of money, but from year 2 to 7.5, everything turned around.
And as a friend, I can tell you that if I had to do it over again, I would. If you're thinking about getting into something that's fulfilling and where you can make a lot of money, Jani-King is the way to go. The support that Jani-King gives you is awesome.
Jani-King is very competitive. I've met other franchisees from other companies and talked to them. Their experiences does not even compare to what Jani-King provides for its franchisees. Jani-King is number one. Jani-King is the original. By the effort that I put into it, if you're not afraid of work, you can determine how much your salary is going to be.
When you hear the name Jani-King of Atlanta, what is the first word or idea that comes to mind?
Great opportunity. I know that's 2 words, but yeah, it's a great opportunity. If you're not afraid of work, because there is some work involved. But the opportunity here at Jani-King, it is it's phenomenal. You can do with it whatever you want. You can go wherever you want with it. I mean, it can take you as high as you want to go. I believe that. That was me 26 years ago, but this is me today, and I've been with Jani-King for 31 years. And my best is yet to come, because where I've been, I know that I can go much further because of the support that I get with Jani-King. And with Jani-King, you too can achieve your goals, your dreams for you and your family. Trust me when I say that. Again, I've been around Jani-King, been with Jani-King for 31 years, and my best is yet to come.
I wanted to be with my two kids. I was a single dad. I wanted to be able to pick them up from school, go to school in the morning with them, be there for all the sporting events, even maybe coach. I coached my son, so it helped out tremendously. I was able to meet my financial goals and be with my family. So it's been a good ride, because Jani-King is the #1. They're the best in the business. They're very credible. Their training, their professionalism is all iron sharpens iron. And that's one of the reasons why I chose Jani-King.
Monthly seminars, they're very helpful because they turn your dreams into pretty much goals, because they give you a plan. And I'm already saving to get a house for next year. So it's a big improvement for me. Jani-King is second to none.